Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Nadine West, which is a clothing subscription. It includes a packing slip that tells you all your items and how much they are. That way if you don't want anything, there's a label in here, you can send it back and you won't be charged. So it's really easy. And I have two little bundles here. I'm going to show you what I got and then I will insert the pictures at the end. Oh, that's cute. It's a black V-neck tank top with some ruffled sleeves, and this is so soft. Very, very soft. It looks really flowy too. That's cute. Also have a piece of jewelry. Have some earrings. Also put the prices at the end as well with the pictures. And then we have another V-neck t-shirt. I think it's the same brand as the first one. Little cuffed sleeves. Again, nice and flowy and super soft. And can't tell if this is a dress. It might be a dress. Sometimes the dresses are kind of short, but you can still pair them with like leggings. Let me see. Yep. So this is supposed to be a dress, just black and white striped, super cute. And then in here I should have two bottoms. Ooh, first one, some nice cozy sweatpants, which I pretty much live in. They're flared at the bottom, little frayed, those look very comfy. And they do have pockets, which I love. A lot of the pants I wear around the house, for whatever reason, they don't put pockets on them for girl pants. So I like that. And then the last one. Ooh, I will definitely wear these too. So these are, I guess, a little dressier. They have little fake buttons on there. Those are cute. And then they go down there, very stretchy. Good bag this month. And this does have the tummy control on it too. So it's a layered waistband for support and a 4-way stretch fabric. Very cool. So I'll go ahead and insert the pictures, put the prices, and if you guys would like to join, I have a code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.